Hi guys, welcome back. So, I really don't have a lot to say today. I'm just gonna keep on saying love. I did get a Instagram message that someone who's like, I'm just gonna say family. We don't have to like be blood family, but family because of love. That their dad passed away, and there was somebody that was close to me that I grew up as a kid. Them being very good to me. Uh, all those good things, and I have good memories, and that is the beautiful thing, guys. You know what? The memories were like full of love, like really full of love, full of open arms, opening up your home to my family, from my mom, my dad, just everything, and everything was with love. And it's like I did shed a little tear, but one thing for sure, those memories, it turned my tears into a smile. It made my heart flicker. So guys, please remember to everything you do, please do it with love. It really means a lot, okay? That's all I have for you guys today, all right? I'll see you later. Happy Wednesday. It's time to go. It's time to go exercise. It's time to go do some work. We got work in the yard. As y'all can see, we're trying to get the front together. Hopefully before this evening, you guys can see the yard. But I want to update you on some things. Guys, let me show you the dresser. Look at her. She's so pretty. Hey guys, how y'all doing today? So here is the dresser, and that is everything that's going to be on her for now. Let me turn this TV down a little bit. So yeah, guys, how do y'all like it? I absolutely like it. So I'll show you guys. I put the plant here. This is my Chinese evergreen. This is one candle only, and this is that sculpture, which I think is beautiful. Then I have my pampas grass here, and then we have our diffuser here. So yeah, I'll show you guys. I know somebody said something about me telling about my underwear. Oh well, this is real life. I don't understand people. But anyway, this is my section. This is showing y'all how much room is in here. This is my section, my uniforms, my workout attire. Let's close that back. And let me see. He's still working on his stuff. Here's all his like socks and hats. And let's see, down in this one, this is the last one for right now. He just have like pajama pants. You gotta put some more stuff, I think like t-shirts or something in there. But yeah, guys, I like it. All the room. I don't think another dresser would have gave me that room like that, so I'm completely happy about the choice. So yeah, guys, oh, and guess what? Do y'all see? It's gone. It's gone. So we both agreed to put the ottoman on OfferUp and just get rid of it, because to be honest, y'all, we don't have blankets and stuff to put in there. I don't even know why I bought that. It was just pretty. It don't even fit into the color scheme. If you know, it was navy blue. It was really nice. So hopefully somebody buys it and they like it. I did get one message so far saying that they were interested. So hopefully they'll message me again and tell them, and say they want to come pick it up. But so that is gone. We have all this space, and then we changed the nightstand. So we decided to put this nightstand on this side and switch it from that side to that side. So we only have like a little bit of stuff there, and I removed the baskets and a little stuff there. So the baskets, I'm gonna use one of those baskets, guys, I had to think about it. Oh, and let me show y'all. I gotta take all these socks. These are like socks that he don't want. Talking about if they got like one little stain or something, he don't want to. But do whatever you want. But anyway, I'm gonna take one of those baskets and put it in the backyard on the porch. I'm gonna line it with a biodegradable bag. I'm gonna find a biodegradable bag, fill it with dirt, and put some of my seeds in there. So with the other one, I put here. So I don't know if you guys can see that really good, but the other one is right there. Hold on, y'all. Too light. So the other one's right there, and I think it looks really, really good. There's nothing in it, so whenever I get a chance, or if I feel like it, if I can take like this throw, I took this throw right here. I bought this throw in here. I can always roll that up and put it in the basket. So yeah, guys. So guys, we're gonna have a little water time in the car. So I'll see you guys shortly, okay? All right. Bag, so we can put it down. Because them weeds gonna come through that.
Since me taking that down, it would be no sense.
Well, put as much as you can together in a pile, and then we'll put the stuff on it. I mean, put the bag on it.
You put the bag on top. You put the bag on top of it.
Okay, well, we can put the bag over here then and start another one. You get what I'm saying? That's why you be using that. There's still some in there.
Okay.
Oh.
Jeez.
You think you fly with your watch on? Yeah, all that gotta. I'm gonna have to probably go get more.
Huh?
I'm probably gonna have to go get more then. Like just 2 more bags. I just was using enough to get it down. More projects. That look good though with that tulip or whatever that is coming up there. All right, y'all, we're gonna have a little water time instead of, we're gonna still call it tea time, water time, whatever you want to call it, but I'm gonna call it water time because I need to drink my water. So anyway, I was thinking of something, you know, we are all God's children, right? And he loves us. So for that, we should all love one another. And then that means that we are all brothers and sisters. It doesn't matter where you're cut from, who's your mother, who's your dad. I mean, don't get me wrong. We all know we have like different households and things like that, like bloodline. But when you think about it, we are all connected to his bloodline because he made us. Without him, it wouldn't be no us. So remember to like love your enemies, love your fellow brother and sister. And if they don't know how to do it, guys, you have to be the person to teach them. Okay? You have to be the person who can show someone. Don't always think like, oh, they were raised this way, this and that, just forget it. Oh, they're never gonna. No, we are all brothers and sisters. You are your brother's keeper. You are your sister's keeper. God is our Father. So if he is the Father, he is the head, what is underneath that? Love, peace, joy, gentleness, kindness, all that stuff, faithfulness. Guys, for real, like we have to love one another because we are all his children, meaning we are all brothers and sisters, okay? Now he gonna whoop us. He might whoop us differently because we didn't follow instructions, but we are all brothers and sisters, y'all, okay? And so for that, we have to show love, all right? All right, y'all, I'll see you guys in a little while because it is gonna rain and I'm trying to get things done before it rains. Hours later, y'all, but y'all gonna get a vlog. But this is outfit of the day. This is end up being outfit of the day. Guys, I got on my leopard slides today. They're so cute. They're comfortable too. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys really, really quick. When I was telling you about the rock garden, y'all, this video gonna be late. It's gonna be late this evening. So I'm gonna show you guys about the garden, which I was trying to explain. So not the garden, but what I was telling you, I was gonna put the plant in. And then I am going to do plant, but I'm going to try to do other, if I come across any other like small flower pots, I will do those the same. But this is what I mean right here. You see how I have the rocks in here like so? Now just imagine the white, what did I call those plants? I can't remember right now, y'all. But the white, real pretty, they can hang too sometimes. I'm going to put those in there. But I'm going to do another pot like this. But I'm going to put rocks on the inside and I'm going to add like a canister or whatever. But yeah, guys, it's really, really nice outside today here in Ohio. It's about 75 degrees. And let me show y'all the other day I was showing y'all how I don't really want to walk. Well, if you see right there, remember those? They're coming up. And I can't remember the name of them, but those are coming up. But guys, I'm going to see you guys when I return back home, because I'll be able to show you guys the mulch garden in the front. Okay, so see you in a while. I've had to come back again. Do y'all remember this? Now it's empty. This was the candle that I hauled for like $1 or something. And if you watch Helen Nate, she has this on her stove. And she said she put it on the stove, let it heat like that. But this is the one that I'm going to be adding a plant to. So I'm going to show you guys one of the plants. I'll show you where I'm going to put it, but I don't know if the plant is ready yet. So I might just put it in there with, just set it in here with the container. But this is where I will be housing it. So I'm going to set it like so on top of there, and then I'll be putting this one that I'm trying to root on top. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along because I forgot to show you that I have washed it out really good. So yeah, so guys, I will really see y'all later so I can show you guys the rock garden. Okay, all right. Okay guys, I'm just gonna show y'all really quick how the rock garden is looking right here. So far it's looking good. And then here is the basket that I was trying to tell you about. They have the handles. I'm gonna put that on the deck, and that's what we're gonna use for one of the gardening things, planters. It just will need some. It would just need a bag right there. So y'all look at the rock garden. Oh my God, it looks so nice. I'm thinking about putting this in there somewhere, but we're gonna put some more stones. And let me show y'all the front. Alright guys, so this is what we was working on. I want to show the address, but here's this big old tree here. We got the rock garden going here, and all of that, if you can see, is done. We're going to fill in some more, but for the most part, it is done. What y'all think? Let me know, because I know you will. But yeah, that's how it looks. So far, so good. Yep. Got to fill in here in this box. This from last summer that we did. But yeah, y'all let me know in the video. What do y'all think? It is coming right along. I can't wait. Like, I really can't wait. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to get my plants and stuff and my stuff for the rock garden. But there's gonna be some stuff in here. So guys, we're going to end on that note. I will see you guys tomorrow.